This holiday season, whether you have a house full or a handful, Lauren Barth is here with tips to make meal planning less stressful and more joyous. Sign me up. Thanks for being here.
So my favorite new discovery for weeknight dinners is College Inn's savory infusions. They make those one-pot dishes, those weeknight dinners, so much easier and more convenient. You squeeze them into your dishes to infuse them with complex, rich flavors. So delicious and easy. I'm making tacos this week, and I'll be using the roasted garlic and chili savory infusion. It's just one step, so it eliminates all those extra spices and herbs you need, simplifies, super delicious, and you can find that recipe over on collegeinn.com/recipes. This holiday season, my signature dish is going to be a skillet corn bake using Del Monte canned corn, of course. It's got a light and fluffy texture, a savory, rich taste. It's super easy to make, and you can find that recipe over on delmonte.com/recipes. I love making drinks with Del Monte's canned fruit. It's really convenient, really easy. In this case, I'm making a signature holiday peach sangria. You just add all your ingredients to a carafe in advance, refrigerate for 2 hours, and then take it out. It's ready to go, ready to serve, super easy to make. And again, you can find that recipe and so many more mocktail and cocktail ideas over on delmonte.com/recipes.
Thanks for making it easy. For See What's Portland, I'm Nicole DeCosta.